Alright, this video, I think it's just kind of going over everything that we've already talked about. So this one is called Ratio and Rate Problems on page 74. So I'm just going to work through a few of them. I've never seen these problems, so you got to bear with me. It says, out of 30 students surveyed, 17 have a cat. Based on these results, predict how many of the 300 students in the school have a dog. Now that's silly a little bit. I don't like that problem. But I think what it's implying is that out of 30 students, 17 have a cat and 13, the ones left, have a dog. So here it is. 13 out of 30 have a dog. So out of 300 students, how many have a dog? Well, 30 times 10 is 300. So 13 times 10 is 130. So I would say 130 students. Okay. If 1 out of 12 students at a school share a locker, how many share a locker in a school of 456? That's a big number. Okay, let's try this. Mental math. Here we go. If 1 out of 12 share a locker, then how many share a locker out of a school of 456? So I'm looking for this number right here. Question is, how many times does 12 go into 456? Well, I know 12 goes into 360 30 times, so it's at least 30. So 360, let's see, so that's going to be 96 less, so 96. So how many times does 12 go into 96? I do believe that's 8. So this is going to be times 38. If you need a calculator on that, go ahead and use one, or you might have to just use some division. So if I multiply by 38 on the bottom, I have to multiply by 38 on top to keep these ratios equivalent. So 1/12 is the same thing as 38